My first spring in England is starting to come to life. I haven't been disappointed with the colors, the wildlife, the water, and the temperatures. You still need some heavy blankets at nighttime as it does get down to freezing. But during the days it seems quite warm, even though it's only about 15 degrees. Centigrade, that is, which is about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Along with the way nature has evolved, I also learned a bit of history in the way some trees and bushes are forced to become living fences. When a tree is young, it is sliced and part of it is laid down. It is still attached to the root, but now that it is sliced, it can only grow along the earth. The branches are weaved together and a beautiful living fence is created. Also watching boats travel on the canals. Very long boats that are very thin. They are homes on the water for many people. The amazing part is watching them enter a lock. Opening on one end, the lock fills with water and the boat enters. That end is then closed and the other end is open. Now the water in the boat leaves the lock. Engineering that has kept the canals functioning for over a century still create crowds to watch how it is done. I'm already seeing that once the trees turn green, it will be very similar to spring in New Jersey. The name of this poem is Nature, Our First Love, and the music? My creation entitled The Morning Dew. Thinner than a blade of grass, larger than the universe, brighter than any sunny day, darker than the dead of night. Laying in a carpet of green grass, a television of blue skies sprinkled with white clouds, slowly dancing across the screen. Being a part of it all, yet still on the outside looking in. So peaceful, so serene, so grateful to be part of it all. Attention drifts to two geese flying overhead, floating in and out of the clouds. Ducks sleep near the water. In another field, baby lambs romp freely on a hillside as mom holds her child's hand, taking it all in. Hawthorns make a living fence to keep things in and to keep others out. A boat, long and thin, cruises along. It enters a lock, floating on top, then down low it goes. At the bottom the lock opens, new water waiting for a new boat. Modern cruising in an old-fashioned way, a walk back in time, an experience that never grows old. All nature, all gifts from the Creator, given freely for all to experience.